Stencil Ease is your source for all your custom stenciling needs, no matter the size, style, or application. Provide your own artwork or logo, or work with our custom experts to create the perfect design. In a well-ventilated area, spray the backside of your background stencil using repositionable spray adhesive. Next, place the stencil where you'll be painting, press into place, and add a couple of pieces of frog tape painter's tape to the corners for extra security. Next, paint the background color using a high-density foam roller and numerous light coats. When painting the edge, dry the roller first using a stack of paper towels. Too much paint on the roller could result in bleeding underneath the stencil. To speed up the process, use a hairdryer to dry the previous coat before applying the next coat. Once finished, remove the outline stencil and allow the color to dry completely. Next, position the main stencil using the aforementioned spray adhesive and painter's tape. Next, using a brush or roller, add any additional colors using the frog tape to mask any surrounding designs that you don't wish to be painted. Paint the main design using either a roller or stencil brush. Continue with light coats until the shading is full and even. Finally, insert any nested stencil pieces using the adhesive spray and tape, and then paint the final design element. Once finished, carefully peel up and away all the stencil components to reveal your new custom design. For more tips and ideas, visit Stencilease.com today.